Hi, I'm Shashank. I completed my BSc degree in Newbie University. I got placed here. I got in Jspiders through the induction program, so through the incubation program. Talking about Jspiders, it has been a very good experience joining this institute. Throughout my duration of course, I had fantastic trainers and the best HRs I can find, because HRs were always recommending me for the best, always getting me the good interviews which I wanted, from which I got placed now. And talking about trainers, I had very good experience with the trainers. It was a fun and knowledgeable journey with them. We had very good interactions, as there was zero doubts when I used to get out of the class, as everything used to be cleared in that time then. And talking about communicating with them, they used to communicate with me every time, regardless of time, place or anything. But even if I asked in between their classes, they used to come and communicate with us. And it has been a very good experience joining this institute.